What is data science? In tech industries, job related to data science and machine learning are so much high paying because there are very few people, there are very less skilled worker in this particular field. And you know what? In by the end of 2030, in India, data science sector would grow up to $16 billion. So, hi guys, this is Ashank David from Coders Arcade, and in this video, we are going to talk about what is data science. And if you want to learn data science, then what is the step-by-step process of learning data science, or you can say the roadmap of learning data science. So, without any further ado, let's get right into the topic. Now, before we start this video, I would like to request you people to please like, share and subscribe to our channel Coders Arcade, and don't forget to press the bell icon so that you won't miss any future updates. So let's get right into the topic. I am going to start explaining you this topic by first giving you an example. Now, for example, you're watching Netflix, you're watching some movie on Netflix, right? So let's say you're watching this horror movie on Netflix. So as soon as you end that movie, automatically Netflix starts suggesting you horror movies only, or the movie which you're seeing. For example, if you're seeing a comedy movie, automatically a comedy movie would be suggested to you by Netflix. If you're watching adventure or action movie, then automatically an adventure or action movie will be suggested to you guys from Netflix. So this is one part. Then let's take another example of, let's say, mobile phone. You're chatting to someone on WhatsApp or Facebook Messenger, or anywhere you're chatting. So as soon as you are typing there, automatically auto suggestions and auto correction comes into place, where if you write something wrong, then auto correction helps you to correct that automatically. Then auto suggestions will help you to complete the full sentence automatically by suggesting you some words that you're trying to type. Similarly, let's take another example of an email. So what happens in email? When you receive an email, automatically, if the email are segregated according to their folders. So for example, if it is an verified email, then automatically it will go to your inbox. But if it is not verified email, then it is going to automatically go into your spam box, and so on. So if you delete something, automatically it goes into trash. So all of these things, all of these features, you see, all automatically things are happening. Automatically my Netflix is showing me the suggestion. Automatically my mobile phone is correcting me and automatically completing my sentence, and automatically these emails are going into the respective folders. How that happens? You know what? These are all possible. These features are possible because of data science only. So in this video, we are going to focus on what a data science is, and I am going to tell you what data science is, to be exact. So let's start. Now let's understand what a data science is. So data science is a field in computer science which deals with data. In data science, we collect data, we do analysis on that data, we try to find some pattern onto that data, and then we try to create insights through that data, so that those insights helps us to solve our business related problems. So for example, I'll take another example here of data science. For example, I got a data of some latitude and longitude in of some place, let's say some place. And based on that latitude and longitude, if I tell you at that particular latitude and longitude at that particular place, if I tell you that at what time of the day, how many people are there at that particular place, or let's say in all the 7 days of the week, at what time, what is the crowd level at that particular place. So I can get to know that at what time, how many people are present at that particular place at that particular time of the day in the whole week, right? So now I got this information from those two coordinates only, that is latitude and longitude. Based on that data, I found out that how many people are there coming in that particular latitude at different time in different days. Now if I give this data to, let's say, some restaurant owner whose restaurant is there at that particular latitude and longitude, so if I give this data to him, then he will be able to use this data and he can predict that at what time people will come, so he need to prepare this kind of food, or he need to open a shop at that particular time. So he gets more and more benefit of that particular insights that I gave him, and based on those insights he can work and he can improve his business. So this is data science, the process of extracting the meaningful insights from the data. This whole process is called as data science. So this is data science. It's a field in computer science through which we collect the data, we do analysis on the data, and then based on that analysis, we collect insights and we create our projects. Like we can visualize that data, we can do analysis on the data. Based on that analysis, we can create graphs, we can create different kinds of data visualization, stuff like that, and we can do lots and lots of things with data science. So that is data science. I hope you have understood this well, guys. Also, in data science, you might have heard about this word machine learning, deep learning, artificial intelligence. These are all the parts of data science itself. But we are going to talk about them also in this course. We are going to soon start our playlist on data science as well. And in that, we are going to tell you each and everything about machine learning, deep learning, artificial intelligence, everything. So these three things are also a part of data science itself. Now, data science has three parts. First part is to collect the data. Then second part is to do analysis on that data that we have collected. And then third part is to generate meaningful insights out of that data that we have analyzed and collected. So now if we talk about data in particular, so in olden times when people were not using internet much, they were not using technologies at that time. So data was less, so much less that it was very easy to store that data into one single file. And people there were only few companies who did data analysis by manually hiring people, and they were doing data analysis, and based on that data insights were taken out. But in today's modern world, due to emergence of new technologies like Facebook and YouTube, people started using internet more and more. This led to a creation of more and more data. So whenever you are browsing internet, you are leaving your digital footprint behind. And when you are leaving digital footprint behind, that makes up our data. So this way, in today's modern world, there are so many people out there using internet so much that data is so much. Now, concepts like data lakes, data warehouse have come into place, and only humans are not enough to analyze this kind of data. So that is the reason in today's world, we have introduced softwares, we have different machines, we have different algorithms which are doing data analysis, and then we are generating meaningful insights out of that based on that data. So this is your data science. And now if we talk about uses of data science, then data science can be used to solve your business problems, and data science can help you to create very much interesting interesting projects that you can work on. And you know what, you can use data science to solve your real life problems in a very interesting way. So these are the uses of data science. Now I am going to tell you the full roadmap of learning data science. So if you want to learn data science, then you need to follow on these steps. So the first step in learning data science is to learn a programming language. Now you can go for two programming language, either you can go for Python or you can go for R language. So you might have already heard about Python before, right? Now also we have made playlist on this. So if you want to learn Python, we already have our own playlist in our channel in Coders Arcade. You can go ahead and watch that playlist, and you can ask any doubts you want to ask in the comment section, and we are going to clear all your doubts. And by the way, you don't have to learn advanced Python at all to do data science. You just need basic Python. So concepts in basic Python such as looping statements, then your variables, data types, type conversion, all of that basic stuff in Python basics, that only you need in order to do data science in Python. So only that much part. Also, if you are doing data science using Python, there are two very famous libraries in Python to do data science, and that is, the first one is NumPy and the second one is Pandas. So these are the two libraries that you need to learn in data science, and that will help you a lot because these are the two fundamental libraries in Python that you get to do data science stuff. So make sure you learn NumPy and Pandas properly. That's it. Just the basic Python and two more most important libraries, which is NumPy and Panda. Same thing applies to R programming language also. You can opt for R also. This was your first step to learn programming language. I've already told you how to do it. Then comes your second step, and second step is to learn statistics. So basic statistics like mean, mode, median, standard deviation, variation, all of that you have already learned in your high school. Only that statistics we need to understand and learn in data science. And if you have properly done mean, mode, median, standard deviation, variation, all of these things will help you a lot in the data analysis. In the second part of data science, I have already told you about that. So that is your basic statistics. So make sure your statistics is clear. Then we can do data science easily. Then the third step, and one of the most important steps in data science, is to do data visualization. Now, what do you understand by data visualization? Once you do analysis on your data that you have got from any of your data sets, you have let's say you have some data. You have done analysis on that data, and based upon that analysis, we can do data visualization. What do you understand by data visualization? Now, right now, if I give you, let's say, I have done data analysis, and if I give you some numerical data, then you will get confused. So what I can do is I can change that. I can convert that numerical data into bar graphs, into pie charts, into different charts, into different graphical form. I can use different libraries in Python to do that. And two most important libraries in Python are matplotlib and Seaborn library. So you can go for these two libraries, and this will allow you to convert that numeric data into your visualized data. So you can convert that old data into bar graphs, line graphs, pie charts, and there are so many different data visualization stuff and graphs that you can use to do data visualization. The same thing we are going to see in our form of graphical format. So this way it will become easier for us to understand, and it makes our life more efficient, and it makes us easier and more efficient in extracting the insights, the meaningful insights from the data that we have. So that is the reason data visualization is a very important aspect in data science field. So now the next step is the fourth step is to learn machine learning. So I know you guys might be curious about what machine learning is, but we are going to discuss about it very soon in our course. So stay tuned for that. In machine learning, you need to learn about all the maths that we use in machine learning, how we create algorithms, how we apply those algorithms into machine learning, how machine learning works. All of that you need to learn in order to do data science. This is the fourth step in data science. So make sure you properly learn how the maths is applied into machine learning, what are the algorithms, all these things, all the basic maths in machine learning that you need to understand and you need to learn. That will be your fourth step. Then comes your fifth and the very most important step in this whole process is to do a project of your own. So the best way of learning data science is to apply it practically. How you would do that? By doing a data science project. And how you can start doing a data science project? For that, Kaggle is one of the most popular websites out there, using which you can initially get hands-on to different data sets, and you can choose your own data sets, and based on that data sets you can start working on a project. By doing a project, you will understand in and out of how data science work, what exactly data science is, how to do analysis on the data that we have got, then how plotting works, how graphs are made, how to do plotting, how to convert your numeric data into graphical data, all of that, and how to build a project, how to build a report, how to build a full data science project. So everything you will learn in that once you start creating your own project. The best way to learn data science is this only, to do your own project. This is how you are going to learn data science, and these are the all the 5 steps that you need to apply, and this is the whole roadmap of how you can learn data science. So the first step is to learn the programming language, then the second step is to learn a statistic, then third step is to learn data visualization, then the fourth step is to learn machine learning, and then fifth step is to create your own project. This is the proper way you will learn data science, and soon we are going to start our playlist as well, and there you will find all the stuff related to data science. We are going to start with NumPy, then we'll move on to Pandas, then we'll move on to SciPy, then we'll move on to Matplotlib, Seaborn. We learn every library in data science, and we are going to create our own project. So stay tuned for that, guys, and I hope you have understood this well. This is how you are going to learn. I guess I hope you have understood today's main motto. Today you understood what data science is, how data science works, then how to learn data science, and how to start applying, and where to find your data set. So Kaggle, I have already told you, Kaggle is the best website where you can find predefined data sets, free data sets that you can use, and you can actually join the community of data scientists there. So go ahead, browse your own data set and download it, and then apply it into your project. All the best for you guys to do your own project on data science, and we are also going to start data science, and you can follow us on Instagram, all our social media on Instagram, Twitter, and LinkedIn, Facebook, everywhere. So I hope you have understood this video well, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope you have understood well. If you have any doubts related to data science, you can comment us below this video, and we are going to solve all your doubts. We are going to clear all your doubts related to data science in this particular topic which we have covered today. And that's it for this video, guys. I hope, wish you all the best to do your own data science project up ahead in your future. And that's it for this video, guys. This is Ashank David signing off, and see you guys in the next one.